friends, it's a quick tutorial for the folded card base. I made the cards for the Hip Kit Club today, and this will show you how to make the base. So I just trimmed off the edge of my 12 by 12 cardstock. Now I want two strips 5 inches wide each, and the first strip I'm going to trim down to 8.5 inches long, and the second strip I'm trimming down to 10 inches long. So I'm going to bring out my Score Pal, and you'll see the score lines on the screen. But starting with the shorter strip, I am going to score it at the 2 inch, 4 inch, 6 inch, and 8 inch mark. And that just leaves a little piece at the end that we're going to fold up. And our second strip, I'm going to score at 4.75 and 9.5. And this is a 10-inch strip, so that just leaves a little part at the bottom that we're going to flip up. So I'm going to fold that longest strip in half and fold the end up. I'm using my bone folder to make those score lines nice and crisp. So with the shorter piece, I'm going to fold the end up and then accordion the rest of it. Just peaks and valleys. Use your score tool to make it nice and crisp. And then we're going to come along with some tape and put the tape on the pieces that have been folded up, the little piece at the end. So bring back the longer one, put some score tape on there, or Suquang, or whatever sticky double-sided tape you use. Now what you want to do is tape the back inside of your card to the piece that you've put the tape on, the accordioned piece, the back inside of the card. And I like to stand it up so I know that it's getting on nice and square. So now I want to take the other end of the card, which is actually the card front, and the piece that you put tape on just gets tucked in to the first valley. So again, I'm using my bone folder to make everything nice and crisp, and this is our card base. So I've used the card base today to make my Hip Kit cards, and you can find those at the Hip Kit Club Facebook and at Kelly Made It on Instagram. Here's a peek at one of the cards I made with the October 2021 Hip Kits. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.